Hi, welcome to this tutorial where we'll review how to upload your products directly from your web page avoiding WooCommerce environment. You can access your web page both from jasrock-wp login or by clicking on My Account and signing in your header menu. Once we are here, place your mouse over your Jasrock and then click on Visit Site. Once here, you'll be already logged in your account, so please go to My Account and click. This screen will be showing, so please now go to Vendor Dashboard. Now you'll see a vendor dashboard, but in order to add a new product, please go to Products, and here you'll see a list of all your products. In order to add a new one, please go to the top right button that says Add New Product, and a little new window will be showing saying Add New Product. Here we'll choose an image for the product. We can place a name for the product. Set the price. We can add here more images to the product gallery. We can select the category. The categories will be already saved from the previous configurations of WooCommerce. And we can also add tags to the product. If we click here, it will also be searching for already existing tags on the site. We can then add a short description about the product. And then here we will have two buttons. We have the Create Product button, which will send us to a more detailed page. And then we have Create and Add New. If we click on Create and Add New, this will create a simple product with all this brief information and will leave us with this box in blank again so we can upload another single product. For this tutorial, I will click on Create Product so I can access to a more detailed page. So we can access to this more detailed page on the product. Here we'll have a few more settings on the product. For example, we can choose if we want a single product or a variable product or even a group product. I'll click on variable. Then again, I can choose the category and the tags. Here we can place a short description and a long description here. Going a little bit lower, we can see that we have the inventory settings where we can place the SKU. Then we have the SEO managed for this product, which means the focus keyword we'll be placing in order for Google to show our products on their search engine. For example, we can place rug as a focus keyword. And we can even edit the snippet so we can edit how the announcement on Google will be showing. Scrolling down from this option, then we have shipping and tax. Here we'll be describing the weight on the product, the length, the width, and the height for shipping purposes. Then we scrolling down, we have linked products where we can have upsells, which we can place rugs where similar quality or more expensive, or cross-sells where we can recommend another type of rugs. Then just below we will have attribute and variation, which will be very important for us if we would like to add variable products. In order for this function to properly work, we will have to add attributes. For this example, I'll choose colors and then add attribute. And in the section of values, we'll choose the colors we would like to have with the product. For this example, I just put brown and black. Then I click on Use on Variations. And we'll get back to this section in a little bit. And lastly, we will have other options where we can place if the product will be online or it will be uploaded as a draft. Then we can choose the visibility. And lastly, we can add some info for the final customer and we'll get to their email. Then we can click here if we don't want to enable product reviews. And lastly, we can click on Save Product. If everything was correct, the page will be showing us this little box here where it says there is a success, and then we can click on View Product. As you can see, the product is already uploaded. However, we do not have any Add to Cart option or any option to choose from the different two colors that we have here. In order to add the variations to the product, we will have to scroll down to the attribute and variations, and then we have the option to add a variation. For this example, I will create variations from all attributes. I only have colors, so it will create only 2 variations. If any pop-up shows, just please click on Accept, and then it will show me that 2 variations will be added. And click on Accept. We will have now the 2 variations or any variations that you would like to create. But please, it's important to notice that we will have to click on this little button here. We can add a different image for this variation, a different SKU, and of course, we will have to add a price. We can actually add a different weight and different dimensions, but it can take the parent product dimensions and weight by default. We can choose again a shipping class. For this example, we won't use it. The tax classes, and we can place a description for this variation. If everything with this first variation is done, then we move forward to the next one, or we will have the same options. I place a different price just for the purpose of this tutorial. We can place a different SKU, different dimensions. I'll leave it all as it is. Shipping classes, we won't touch it. And I'll place a variation description again. Then we will click on Save Variations, and then we will scroll down and then click on Save Product. Then we'll be seeing again the success text box. Then we'll be click on View Product. And now we can see that on the product page, we will have a drop-down menu where we can choose either if we want a black product or a brown. And as you can notice, each variation does have a different description down here and a different price, of course. Then we can proceed to Add to Cart. If you would like to edit an already uploaded products, then you will simply go to Product and then just place the mouse over the product you would like to edit, and then please click on Edit. You can also have other options like delete it permanently, view the product, or edit it quickly. You can actually duplicate it as well. On the quick edit option, we could rapidly edit the title of the product, the tags, the product categories, the status, the SKU, the dimensions for shipping, the visibility, and in the stock on the product. And then we will simply click on Update. This will be all related to how to upload the product or edit the existing one on a simpler way outside the WooCommerce environment. Please have a wonderful day.